welcome back to my channel. It's time for my monthly favorites. Can you guys believe it's the end of July? I mean, I say this like every month. I know, seriously, it does go by fast, but it's just been a hectic, crazy, emotional roller coaster 2020 for all of us. I know together we can get through this. So first and foremost, I hope everybody is doing well because it's real. This stuff is like crazy. So I'm hoping my monthly favorites video can put a smile to your face because we do need some smile and laughter once in a while. So hopefully this will get your mind off of crazy things and just watch some pure entertainment. My first favorites I want to say is my shirt. This is a crop top shirt. I actually got this at Costco, guys. I forgot how much it was. It was pretty inexpensive. It's like a sweater-ish, but it's not really thick. I like how it has a big neckline. It's not a boat neck, it's just a regular scoop neck. It has some baggy arms. The texture of the logo is kind of like rubber-ish, I want to say. I don't know, but I really like it. I just really like how it's like a crop top. It's really comfortable. You can wear going out, exercising, or even at home. So speaking about exercising, you guys may or may not know, I've talked about this and I said I was going to mention this in my vlog channel, which I need to step my game up on. I do have some vlogs, I just haven't had the chance to edit all of them. So I will be posting one of my camping trips and the daily vlogs on there soon, so please stay tuned. If you guys want to subscribe to that channel, you know, shameless plug. We had a personal trainer for the past month and a half, I want to say, and we do plan on continuing exercising with him because he does motivate us. So at home, we still need to do our fair share of exercising and maintaining what we want to do because that is our goal. So it may not seem like I have lost a lot of weight, but physically and mentally, I feel good. I just feel like the positions that I'm working out in is more correct. And yes, I do feel good, and that's all that matters. So at home, we do our normal workouts with our kettlebell. I discovered these workout bands. Guys, this is so good. This actually helps to intensify your workout, the stretches you're doing, the lunges, leg lifts, and even arm lifts. It's so cool. This is a 3 package, so this actually does light, medium, and heavy. Mix and match them. You can use the heavy one on one days, and then the days that you're supposed to have a rest, maybe you could use the lighter band. These resistance band actually do work out really well. Who likes to bake? But like makeup bake? Beauty Bakerie is actually a new cosmetic line to me. I literally stumbled across this cosmetic line just like surfing the web, but I'm so happy I did. This is a baking powder or setting powder. Again, baking. These are their lip whips, so kind of like, I don't know. Currently, I'm wearing this lip gloss, which is so pretty. It's not sticky. It smells so good. And this is a lip stain I actually wore my most recent video on Beauty Bakerie. So if you guys want to check that out, link is down in the info box for you guys. You guys know me. I'm a makeup junkie. Whether you are black, red, yellow, white, brown, I don't care what color you are. I will support anyone in any way. But this should also be another brownie point because it is a Black-owned business. You guys know the Black Lives Matter is happening. It's been happening and it's real. I highly recommend educating yourself, others of this movement, and just support it because in general, we just need unity right now, and I'm just gonna leave it as that because otherwise it's gonna be a long ass video, but just know Black lives do matter. So at home, I've been experimenting my own like matcha latte kind of thing. I used to order that drink at coffee shops. Of course, Starbucks had it. And I was like, I'm gonna start doing this myself. So I went on Amazon, I got myself a whisker. And this is good because with the matcha powder that I have, this is gonna help whisk it to make it nice and fine. So when you drink, it's not gonna be powdery and like feeling like you're eating cardboard. I don't know the name of this, bamboo whisker? So we've been camping a lot lately. I mean, you get the sun, you get the social distancing, you get to unplug from the world for a few days. I mean, what more can you get and you're out in Mother Nature? Camping is like really fun because although you don't get the flushing toilets, you don't get the running waters, you get to really experience outdoors and just whatever you bring and the people you are with. So it's summertime and the places we visit, it's like 98 degrees, 100. The heat actually went up to 106 a few weeks ago on our very last camping trip. So I literally got a sunburn on my scalp and you can see these dry flakies here because the sun was just like beaming on my head. Although I did bring a hat. Anyways, it was so hot, I sat in the corner under the shade drinking ice water, not wanting to move at all. This is the newest hat to my hat collection, which I don't have many because my head shape is small, so I can't really fit into a lot of them. This hat has a Velcro adjusting strap, so it actually can tighten for my puny little head. Don't you guys just love the title of my hat? So not only the title of the hat, it's the ponytail. A lot of times you can't have your hair in a ponytail or in a bun. But this hat, you can. I like how you can wear a high pony, a mid pony, or even a high bun with this hat. What I really like about this hat is that this bill is super long, so I can actually get some shade from the sun. The side here is also a mesh material, so again, it's very breathable. The front is solid, which is okay. It's also going to protect the heat from the sun, so my head's gonna be nice and covered. Again, the mesh material is gonna be breathable. So the last thing I have is this backpack. Oh my gosh, this backpack is so cute. This backpack is by Nike. I love pastels, I love neons. It's just something I would never get bored of. This is a very tiny backpack. You can go camping with this, shopping, going on a hike, a day trip. You know, it's nice and small. I love the material, it's nylon, so if it gets dirty, you can take a damp cloth and wipe off the dirt. If this really does get dirty, you can also toss it in the washing machine and just let it hang dry, and it dries pretty quick. The straps are like Nike Air Max running shoes, I swear. It's like a little foamy sponge, but it's so comfortable to wear. I remember when I was in grade school, wear those JanSport backpacks, and you know, back then you had to lug all your books and everything, and it was always heavy on you. I have these with cushions, which is so comfortable to wear. 2 little pockets for your water bottles and 2 large zipper compartments. I just love this backpack. And that is it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope everybody's having a great summer and wherever you guys are at in the world. If you guys got this far into this video, comment down a heart or even a happy face. I'm working on a giveaway, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. If you guys haven't, follow my Instagram page. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!